An accountant can earn over $70,000 a year, but AI just did part of this job in under 60 seconds. Welcome to TaskProof AI. We test what artificial intelligence can really do. Financial summary. Client communication. Expense analysis. Let's start with the first task, financial summary. Let's look at a financial summary. AI simplifies complex financial data instantly. Accountants often analyze financial data and explain it to clients. AI can generate a clear summary in seconds. This makes it easier for business owners to understand their finances. Next, let's test client communication. Now let's create a client email. This is a common task for accountants. AI generates a professional message instantly. Accountants regularly send updates to clients about financial reports. Finally, let's analyze expenses. Finally, let's analyze expenses. Identifying cost-saving opportunities is a common accounting task. AI provides practical suggestions in seconds. Identifying cost-saving opportunities is essential for any business. Human versus AI. Financial summary. Human, 30 minutes. AI, 1 minute. Client email. Human, 10 minutes. AI, 20 seconds. Expense analysis. Human, 45 minutes. AI, 2 minutes. However, AI still has limitations. It cannot replace professional judgment, especially when dealing with complex financial regulations. AI is a tool, not a replacement. AI saves time, but accountants still provide critical expertise.